Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's learn more. In this video, we're going to talk about Chandrayaan 2. A great attempt to reach south polar of lunar surface. Chandrayaan 2 is India's second lunar mission, where no countries has even tried before. Chandrayaan 2 was developed by ISRO, the Indian Space Research Organization, located at Bangalore, Karnataka, India. The mission was launched from Satish Dhawan Space Center on 22nd July 2019. Let us see the Chandrayaan 2 mission. Launcher. A launch vehicle or rocket carrier is a rocket-propelled vehicle used to carry a payload from Earth's surface to space. To reach orbit, the rocket must impart to the payload of about 9.3 to 10 kilometers per second for horizontal acceleration needed to reach orbit speed. Chandrayaan 2 launcher is the geosynchronized satellite launcher vehicle Mark III. Rocket GSLV Mark III is India's most powerful launcher as on to date. Orbiter. An orbit is the path one object in space takes around another. The curved path of a celestial object or spacecraft around a star, planet or moon, especially a periodic elliptical revolution. Orbiter. A spacecraft designed to go into orbit. Chandrayaan 2 orbiter will observe the lunar surface, its orbit, and relay communication between Earth and Chandrayaan 2 lander Vikram. Lander, a spacecraft designed to land on the surface of a planet or moon. Chandrayaan 2 lander carries rover called Pragya to lunar surface. Lander has been developed to operate for 14 days or 1 lunar day. During this time period, the Vikram lander will be constantly communicating with the same network will be used by the orbiter and rover for communication. The lander weighs 1,471 kg, including the Pragya rover 27 kg inside, and it's capable of generating about 650 watts of electricity. Rover Pragya. The 6-wheeled Pragya rover will move on the lunar surface for 500 meters at the rate of 1 centimeter per second and will perform on site chemical analysis for a period of 14 days, 1 lunar day. It can relay data to Earth through the lander Vikram and Chandrayaan 2 orbiter, which were launched together on the same launcher rocket. Power generated about 50 watts from the solar panels. Its power system had sonar-powered sleep, wake up cycle implemented, stereoscopic camera, 3D vision based, 21 megapixel monochromatic NAV cameras in front of the rover to provide the ground control team a 3D view of the surrounding terrain. Chandrayaan 2 had hard landing from altitude 2.1 kilometers and lost communication. It would be special if Chandrayaan 2 had soft landing. First successful mission to South Polar region. Secondly, fourth country to soft land after Russia, USA and China. ISRO Chief Mr. Sivan has announced that third lunar mission Chandrayaan 3 will be launched shortly. Let's all wish the success of Chandrayaan 3. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Let's Learn More. Please put your comments and thanks for watching this video.